Hi guys, welcome to another one of our videos. Today we are just going to show you a camp that we found. It's at Copeton Dam, just out of Inverell, called the Northern Foreshore Reserve.
Waste time on the masterpiece, don't waste time on the masterpiece. You should be rolling me, you should be rolling me. You're a real life fantasy, you're a real life fantasy. But you're moving so carefully, let's start living dangerously. Talk to me, baby. I'm going after this.
So the campsite itself is about 15 minutes out of Inverell on Copeton Dam, and Copeton Dam is a massive dam, so there is a few different places that you can camp around the dam. So this one's the closest to Inverell. There's powered sites, and then you can also go down towards the boat ramp and you can camp all along the dam itself. All those sites are unpowered campsites and they're not assigned. You can just pull up wherever you like and camp. We have seen since the dam has gotten lower, you can tell where people have got stuck in their cars, but the caretakers here are awesome, and they basically just give you the channel to call them on if you get stuck, and they'll come and pull you out with their tractor. The campsite has water. The water they provide isn't drinkable out of the tap, but you can boil it and drink it. There's also showers and toilets, and the showers are free. They just try and keep it to about 3-minute showers. This campsite also allows dogs. It is at manager's discretion. They've put up a bit of a sign at the moment that they're not accepting big dogs because a few people have been bitten over this New Year period at the start of 2019. So they're trying to be a bit more cautious about dogs. But if you have a general sized dog and you keep it on a lead and you're responsible, I don't think you'd have any problems bringing your dog along. We have camped at Copeton Dam before, but we were staying at the Reflections Caravan Park, which was way over the other side. You come in sort of Moree way, and both times we've stayed on the lake. It's just absolutely stunning. The sunsets and just the scenery and the wide open spaces is just awesome.
If you wanna call me, call me, call me. You don't have to worry about it, baby. You can wake me up in the dead of the night, wreck my plans, baby, that's alright. This is a drop everything kind of thing. Swing on by, I'll pour you a drink. The door's unlocked, I'll leave on the lights. Baby, you can crash my party anytime.
And it's just a really relaxing place to chill out, swim. If you like fishing or boating, it's a perfect spot for that. So that's just a quick look at the Copeton Dam campsite that we found, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!
I could be on the front row of the best show, look down and see your face on my phone, and